Want to stay updated with the upcoming AI trends and tools? With AI on the rise, it's hard to keep up with new AI launches, but they can be quite helpful. So in this video of TechWhoop, I bring you 8 crazy websites. From whipping up delicious recipes with a click to creating your own music, crafting the perfect resume, building a website in seconds, and reimagining your home with AI magic, I've got it all. Let's get started with the video now. First up, we have Video 2 Recipe. This amazing tool transforms your cooking videos into detailed recipes with just a few clicks. Let me show you how it works. Imagine you found a mouth-watering cooking video on YouTube, but you don't have the time to watch the entire thing. With Video 2 Recipe, you can simply enter the video's URL and voila! It extracts the ingredients and provides step-by-step instructions. No more pausing and rewinding, just a straightforward recipe at your fingertips. Let's take a look at a demo. Here's a cooking video. Once we process it through Video 2 Recipe, it identifies all the ingredients and lays out the instructions for you. It's perfect for when you want to whip up something delicious without the hassle of watching a lengthy video. Remember to check out the link in the description to try it out yourself. If you find this tip helpful, show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to TechWhoop. Next, we have the Magic Eraser. True to its name, Magic Eraser is a charm that removes unwanted items or objects from your photos. Let's go straight and try it out. I'll take a photo and drag it onto the platform. Now, there's a gold pen in this photo that I want to remove. You can select the brush size that suits your needs with Magic Eraser. Once you've adjusted the brush size, you can highlight the object you want to erase. In this case, I'll highlight the gold pen. After highlighting, click on the Erase button. Like magic, the gold pen disappears from the photo. It's that easy. Once satisfied with the result, you can simply download the edited photo. Alright, let's get into something a bit more fun. Have you ever heard of Supermeme? It's an AI meme generator that simplifies meme creation. With Supermeme, all you need to do is type in your text, and voila, you've got a meme. Let me show you how it works. Just head over to Supermeme, and you'll find a simple interface. Enter the text you want for your meme. Maybe something funny, witty, or even a bit sarcastic. The choice is yours. Once you've typed in your text, hit enter. You can also click on Use Random Text option if you haven't got any idea. Supermeme will generate not 1, not 2, but 8 different AI memes for you to choose from. You can resize the font, move things around, and customize it just like you would on any other meme generator. But with Supermeme, AI does the heavy lifting for you. And if you're enjoying these AI-powered tools, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Have you ever had a photo that's too blurry or looks old and worn out? That's where Replicate comes in. Its platform uses various AI models to enhance your images and even create new AI-driven pictures. First, you'll need to open a browser. I'm using Google Chrome, but any browser will do. Once you're in the browser, search for Replicate Photo Enhancer and click on the first result. This will take you to their website. You'll find 10 to 12 image restoration models on the Replicate website's right side. The first one is the most popular, so simply click on it. Now you can drag and drop an image or click to upload it from your system. Once your image is uploaded, you can choose which model to use and adjust the scale to determine the strength of the enhancement. After that, creating the enhanced image only takes a few seconds. You can share, tweak, download, report, or delete the image from the platform. Have you ever dreamed of creating original songs but were held back because you've never made music before? Well, Boomy is here to turn that dream into reality. Head to their website and hit the Create button to start. You'll be amazed by the variety of musical styles available. Whether you're into pop, rock, or electronic music, Boomy has you covered. Once you've picked your style, click the Create Song button and let the AI work magic. In just a few seconds, your very own music will be ready. But that's not all. Boomy lets you add your vocals and edit the compositions and production to make the song yours. It's an incredibly user-friendly tool that makes music creation accessible to everyone. So, if you've ever wanted to unleash your inner musician, Boomy is the perfect place to start. Next, we have FlowCV, a game changer for professionals looking to create a job-winning resume. In today's competitive job market, standing out is key, and FlowCV helps you do just that. With a wide range of beautifully designed templates, FlowCV makes it easy to customize your resume to reflect your unique style and personality. You can experiment with different colors, fonts, and headlines to ensure your resume grabs attention. The best part, once you've perfected your resume, you can download it as a high-quality PDF, ready to impress potential employers. And guess what? FlowCV is completely free, and no sign-up is required. It's never been easier to create a professional and eye-catching resume. Now let's talk about Durable, an ad tool for anyone who needs a website. Gone are the days when website building was a long and complex process. With Durable, it's super easy and incredibly fast. All you have to do is provide a few details about your business. Let's take an example. Imagine your dog walking business and you name it Tired Paws Incorporated. Just input these details, and within seconds, Durable does all the heavy lifting for you. It generates a complete website with a header, images, descriptions, and even specific services like on-leash and off-leash walks. It doesn't stop there. You also get testimonials and a map. If you're unsatisfied with any part of the website, you can easily regenerate it. This tool is perfect for anyone starting a small business or looking to establish an online presence without breaking the bank. With Durable, you can create a professional-looking website for free. However, remember that while creating the website is free, you'll need to register if you want to make changes to the design. Next on our list is Reimagine Home, an innovative tool that's transforming the way we think about home makeovers and renovations. Reimagine analyzes a photo of your room and, based on your prompts, creates a stunning visualization of a new space. You can specify details like the color scheme, furniture style, or room type to get a more complete makeover. It's like having a virtual interior designer at your fingertips. This AI is perfect for the early stages of makeovers and renovations. It helps you brainstorm ideas and visualize the general concept of the space before making any major decisions. Whether you're planning a full renovation or just looking to refresh your decor, Reimagine Home AI can provide the inspiration you need. And that's a wrap of crazy AI websites. I hope you like these tools. Don't forget to comment below if you've encountered any crazy AI tools. But before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.